everyone, my name is Miriam Hepler. I graduated from Westchester University with my BSW in 2018. And after that, I worked in children and youth, and most recently, kind of right as the pandemic started, my internship ended, but I was interning in Dublin, Ireland with an agency called One Family. So I was working with single and separated parents and working as their referral coordinator. So making that first point of contact with them in the agency and following through to make sure that they felt comfortable in their programs and that, their needs were being met. What I really hope to get from this course specifically is honestly just new tools, because trauma is such an important aspect of all of our work. I've worked a lot with families and youth, so definitely a lot of trauma to unpack with them, a lot of different entities and services utilized. So I definitely think being the most informed on my part that I can is extremely important. And I do like how Caroline mentioned in the intro video, just to maintain like a learner's brain. So definitely being a lifelong learner and continuing to evolve as a professional in that aspect, I find very important. So she mentioned being less reactive and more learning based. So I like that a lot. And to learn how to keep that mindset would be extremely beneficial. Studying trauma in general for social workers, I definitely think is a necessity, because it's going to be involved in every job that we could have. And it could be in very different ways. But personally, I do like working with youth and families, so I'm kind of figuring out where my niche is in that sense. But I think remaining trauma informed and being able to effectively aid clients the best that I can when it comes to trauma is super important. So I definitely feel like for my future career that it's a necessity. And 3 ways that I plan to take care of myself throughout this semester. I'm definitely trying to be more physically active. So even if I don't get to work out or walk or something that day, just stretching and having a mindfulness moment, I think is extremely beneficial for me. I've been trying to be better with actively communicating. So actively being aware of using nonviolent communication in everyday life, not just when I feel like it's necessary. So that can be hard, but definitely trying to keep that active mindset when I'm speaking with people. And then third, I definitely think remembering to take a breath and make sure that even the little things are kind of taken care of. Like I notice if things like my bed is made, I feel just a little bit better. So just trying to make sure that the little things that I'm able to do to make myself feel more comfortable throughout the day, that I'm doing well. But yeah, so that's a little bit about me. I'm excited for this course, and yeah, thank you.